Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am here with the new off-campus drive from the Linux company, Linux off-campus drive for the GET position. They are hiring fresher. What they have mentioned, we are looking for dynamic engineers who work with sharp-cut enterprise architecture and ensures compliance in every step. What is the eligibility criteria? Candidates who are applying must meet the below criteria. Qualification required: BE BTech in CSE, IT or information science, and electronics candidates are eligible to apply, and candidates should be graduated in 2020 and 2021. So both these pass out batch candidates are eligible to apply. Should have CGPA of 7 and above with no standing arrears, excellent communication skill, and must be open to relocate to Chennai. Job location will be Chennai, and you should have minimum 70% or 7 CGPA and above with no backlog. Interview process: the entire interview process will be done in virtual mode. No need to go anywhere. Interview test will be conducted online only. The selection process will be consist online aptitude test. Once you crack your online aptitude test, virtual technical interview will be there and virtual HR interview. These 3 rounds will be conducted. Okay, so candidates are requested to arrange the required infrastructure for appearing for the interview, which will be conducted online. Okay, so this is all about the eligibility criteria. You can pause this video and watch what is the eligibility criteria if you want to check again. And how to apply for this drive, you just go to this link. I will provide this link in the description box below. Then you need to provide candidate name. Here you need to provide your name, then email ID of the candidate, then candidate contact number, then candidate qualification, then candidate specialization. Select your computer engineering, information technology, electronics and communication, electrical and electronics engineering. So all these 4 branches are allowed. Year of passing: select your year of passing. Then candidate overall CGPA, select your CGPA range. Okay, then how did you come to know about this opening? You can select other or LinkedIn. Okay, anything you want. If it is through employee referral, please enter Linux employee full name. If suppose somebody is working in the Linux company, your friend, your relatives is working, then you can refer, then that relative or your friend can refer you to get place in this company. Does the candidate have any standing arrears? Note, we are looking out for the candidate with no standing arrears, means no backlog. So select here whether you have backlog or not. Okay, so if you don't have backlog, then select no. Click on next. You need to answer total 11 questions. You can check here. Okay, and then you can apply. So this is very simple application process. So I will provide this link in the description box below. So please apply for this drive, and thanks for watching this video.